Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video tutorial on audio production. And today I wanted to show you guys how to make your voice sound deeper. So right here, let's go to the single track. I have an audio file here that I recorded earlier. Let's take a listen to it. This is how you make your voice sound deeper. This is how you make your voice sound deeper. So that's just a normal audio track. I haven't done anything to it. So to make it sound deeper, we go up to Effects, hit Select Time and Pitch, and look for Stretch and Pitch. And then it opens up that window. Make sure you're on the Audition, on the algorithm here. The isotope radius, it accomplishes the same thing, but to me it doesn't sound very good. So select Audition. And then down here, you want to select pitch shift. You don't want to stretch it. I mean, you can if that's what you're trying to do. But today we're trying to make it, I'm trying to show you how to make it sound deeper. So we want to select pitch shift. And the way we do that is we move the semitones down into the negative. So let's try around -5 and take a listen to see what it does.
This is how you make your voice sound deeper. This is how you make your voice sound deeper.
So you get the idea. It made it sound deeper. And the farther down you go, if you see, if we move this to -10, it's going to sound deeper.
This is how you make your voice sound deeper. This is how you make your voice sound deeper.
Pretty cool, huh? So let's do -5, hit OK. And then that's going to change your whole audio track.
This is how you make your voice sound deeper. This is how you make your voice sound deeper.
And there it is. Now, let me show you how to make it sound even more deeper. Let's bring that in here to the multi-track. And what we're going to do, okay, we're going to copy this and paste 2 more tracks. But we got to make this new track, convert it to a unique copy. Same thing with this one. Convert it to a unique copy. And now on the second one, we're going to go back in here and we are going to apply the pitch again. Let's go -10 or -11.
This is how you make your voice.
Well, that might be too deep. We'll do -6.
This is how you make your.
Okay, there we go. And then we're going to select this one, the last one. And again, go back in here. Let's do -9.
This is how you make your.
Hit OK. Back to the multi-track. Now let's take a listen to see what we did.
This is how you make your voice sound deeper. This is how you make your voice sound deeper.
Yeah, sounds real deep. Kind of sounds demonic too. This would work really good for like a Halloween effect if that's what you're going for. So yeah, there it is. And you know what? Let me show you a bonus tip. Go back to the first track we did. What you can do. This is how you make your. So now it's back to normal. We can do like a winding down effect. Like if you're stopping a record or something like that. In the presets, it should be in here. There's a cutting power effect. Yeah, I think that's the one. Again, make sure it's on Audition. And let's take a listen.
This is how you make your voice sound deeper. This is how you make your voice sound deeper.
So what that did is it's starting on the normal pitch and then winding slowly down to it says here 500%. If you want to do it at the end of let's say this sentence here. This is how you make your voice sound deeper. And we want to apply it at the last part here. Just highlight it. Go back up here to the effect. There we go. And the final stretch. Yeah, let's try that.
Sound.
Whoa. So we apply it. And now let's listen to it. This is how you make your voice
sound.
Whoa, crazy, huh? Let's see. I think there was something else I wanted to show you. Let me go back here. So yeah, okay. I see what I wanted to do. What I also wanted to show you guys is you can pretty much set this to start either like at the normal pitch, or you can have it go the opposite way. So let's see. Let's go back to pitch. And let's start. Oh, hold on. We are locked in here. Messing things up. Let's hit 100. Go back to normal. Pitch shift. So we want to start it at -10. And then the final pitch, we want to start that at, well, let's go back to 0. And take a listen.
This is how you make your voice sound deeper.
So we were going from low pitch to the normal pitch. So it went backwards. And you can also change it so it's like go from deep to really high.
This is how you
make your voice sound deeper.
So, I mean, just mess with these settings here, and you can do some pretty fun things. You can go from deep to high, or from normal to deep, or from deep to the normal, or, you know, any way you can think of. And that's all done through the stretch and pitch effect. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys, for this video today. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button down below, and please subscribe. I'll be posting more videos up soon. So until then, I'll see you guys next time.